Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the ringtone in this device. For this, go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Tap on it. Then again scroll down, tap on ringtone. Now you can see under system themes, you can see classic themes and acromorphic themes. These two are the inbuilt ringtone folder. Okay, so tap on the classic themes. Now you can see there. Now here I select the option OnePlus new feelings. Okay, so let me show you how to change this one. Okay, now go back. You can see the ringtone is changed. Okay, from this acromorphic themes also you can simply set the ringtone. Okay, now go back. You can see the ringtone is changed. So in case if you want to set a ringtone that you downloaded to a device, that means if you want to customize the ringtone, tap on the option on this device, then it will directly go to the file where you download the MP3 file to your device, and from here you can easily select the ringtone. Okay, and from here I am going to select this one. Okay, now go back. You can see the ringtone is changed. So simply in this way you can change or customize the ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.